Hi everyone, I'm Riddhi, and today, we're going to hear the story of a real hero, Major Rama Raghoba Rane, who became a legend of bravery in India. He was so brave that he was awarded India's highest military honor, the Param Veer Chakra. So, let's go on an adventure and learn all about his amazing journey. Rama Raghoba Rane was born a long time ago, on June 26, 1918, in a small village called Haveri, in Karnataka, India. As a little boy, Rama was full of energy and loved playing outdoors. He was very close to nature and always dreamed of doing something big for his country. Can you guess what that was? When Rama grew up, he decided to join the Indian Army. He started his training in 1940 to become a soldier, and wow, he worked really hard. He learned to be super fast, strong, and brave. But most importantly, he learned how to never give up, no matter what. In 1947, something amazing happened. India became independent. Everyone was so happy, and Rama felt proud to be a part of the army. But soon, there was a big challenge ahead. The Indo-Pakistani War of 1947-48 started. Rama Rane's mission was to protect India from its enemies, and he was ready to fight with all his heart. In 1948, during the Battle of Rajouri, Rane faced one of his toughest challenges. The enemy had blocked the roads with dangerous mines and heavy obstacles, and it was impossible for Indian tanks to move forward. But guess what? Lieutenant Rane had a brilliant idea. He volunteered to clear the mines and make a safe path for the tanks. Even though bullets were flying all around, and it was super dangerous, Rane didn't give up. Rane worked non-stop for hours, without any fear, removing the mines one by one. He knew if he didn't succeed, his fellow soldiers wouldn't be able to move forward and win the battle. He was hit by shrapnel and injured, but he kept going. With his determination, the tanks finally moved forward and the Indian army won the battle. Rama Raghoba Rane's bravery didn't go unnoticed. For his courage, he was awarded the Param Veer Chakra, India's highest award for bravery in war. Can you imagine how proud he must have felt? After the war, Lieutenant Rane continued to serve in the Indian Army and later retired as a major. But he was always remembered as a hero who saved lives and protected the nation. Even after his military career, Rane remained humble and lived a quiet life, always helping others. Rama Raghoba Rane passed away in 1994, but his story continues to inspire generations of Indians. His bravery teaches us that no matter how big the challenge, with courage and determination, we can overcome anything. Thank you for joining me on this amazing adventure. Rama Rane showed us that real heroes are brave, selfless, and never give up. His courage still lives on today. If you enjoyed this story and want to hear more inspiring stories of real heroes, don't forget to hit the like button. And hey, if you want to hear more stories from me, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. You don't want to miss out on the next story, do you? Tell me in the comments what you thought of this story, or if you know any other brave heroes we should talk about next. Thank you for watching. Bye.